Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. The question is, if you are not in this channel, where are you? Making money online, whether you're looking for opportunities to make money online via applications or app, whether you want to make money via investment, whether you want to make money passively, whether you want to make money for free. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're all good. I hope you're all great. There are two ways in this website that you see on the screen where you can make money online for yourself. Free. It's for free. Okay. All you have to do, this is a store. It's a store that is online. The store is from David, I believe. All you have to do is to become their affiliate. That means you become their affiliate who's going to promote their product online. Right? Even if it's not online, maybe you know your friend who likes style. You can bring them here and show them. And then if they're interested, they buy. Okay? But they buy using your link. It is for free, of course. You are not paying anything. You are doing it online. You are doing it at home, doing it in the mall. You can do it while you are walking. Anytime you can do it. Okay? It's an online opportunity for you to make money or make commission money. One. How do you make money? You make money by promoting their products. They have got footwears, they have got knitwears, they have got shirts, they have got pants, they have got suits, they have got accessories, they have got jackets, they have got everything that you might think about when it comes to clothes. Obviously, it is style, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? They are tailored. They are hand tailored. In other words, they tailor them. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So you become their affiliate. How do you become their affiliate? It's very simple, guys. Okay, you sign up. I will show you where you will go to sign up, and then you create an account, and then you get your links. Okay, I will show you where you will be able to get your links. Okay, it's very simple. The second way, okay, before we go to the second way, let me show you how you will actually sign up as an affiliate. Remember, two ways you can make money. Let's go at the bottom, right? You come here, then you see where it says affiliate program, right? You put your email, you put your password, you put your title, first name, last name, number, address, city, country, zip code, you click agree, you put your Instagram, you put your website, you put your Facebook, you put your YouTube, you put your TikTok. The website part, if you don't have a website, it's fine. Okay, but obviously every person has a Facebook, every person has a YouTube. If you do, but if you don't, every person has a TikTok. These days you can put your TikTok over there, and then you put your link of your TikTok, and then at least they will see that you do have it. All right. The website, it doesn't mean if you don't have a website then you are doomed. No, you can still continue using the website because it's an affiliate. They are not looking for people who are professionals or people who've got websites. No. Okay. Then you go down and then you do the I'm not a robot, which is complicated sometimes. I don't like this thing, but anyway, it is there. And then after you have registered, you click create, okay? And then after that, when you log in, you come back again, and then you log in here. You say log in, and then you just do this I'm not a robot thing. I hope it goes in quickly. Why are you doing this to me, my guy? Exactly. And then you log in, right? Guess what is going to come up? Boom! Your links. First of all, you are going to see a link. Alright? Your links. The first link is the one that you use to promote. That means you do a poster. That means you take a product, you put it on Facebook. Make sure you put this link. Make sure you put it. Okay? Make sure you put it. And I will show you the other way. You can generate the link that is going to take them into the product you are promoting. This link that I have highlighted there, it will take them to the website. But the link that I will show you, it is going to take them to the product that you are promoting. Okay, the bottom link below the one I've highlighted, this one over here, this one is when you invite people. We will talk about that. When you invite people to join the website as an affiliate. Okay, that is the second one. This one is a page. Okay, When a person clicks here, it takes them to the affiliate page. All right, then you've got another one at the top, which is coupon code. That means you can use this one also to share it and tell the people that you can use this code, and then you'll get 10% off. Okay, simple as that. All right, now where did we go? Where did we say we will go? All right, let's go to how you can generate a product link. Okay, I'm gonna have to go back. It's going to be a long process. For example, let's say you take this one here, this one, right? This belt. All you have to do is to what? Is to just go up there and click on the URL at the top. You see where I'm highlighted, right? You copy this link there. This is a product link. It's not a website link. It's a product link, okay? And then obviously you are going to go back to where? To your affiliate. Remember, you have copied that one. Okay, let me just log in again, because unfortunately you cannot log in like as in like, you know. Okay, so we've got it. We are inside right now, and then you come where it says marketing tools, right? You click marketing tools, then you will see here I've generated some of the products. Okay, you come here where it says paste product page link. Okay, then you just paste it over there, and then it's gonna generate you a link on the side. Your generated link is this one, and then you save it. Make sure that you save it. Okay, you click save here, right? You say save, and then it's gonna create this one here. And then guess what? You can click on the three dots here, right? These three dots are going to give you the link. You've got options of sharing it on Facebook, options of sharing it on WhatsApp, options of sharing it on Pinterest, or also options of sharing it on on X or on Twitter, for former Twitter. Okay, and then you usually I would just copy. Okay, now the reason why I copy this, it is because usually I use it to post. Usually I create my own posts or my own advert, and then after that I use this link so that when they click it, at least it takes them to the product instead of the website. Okay, but you can share it on Facebook if you want. Okay, if you don't want to create posts and everything, because the way it's gonna appear on the Facebook, it's gonna be nice. Let me maybe show you what. Let's use Facebook, right? I hope that it doesn't say to me log in. I hope I'm logged in. Let's see. I hope I'm logged in. All right, I'm logged in, right? And then this is how it will look. All right, this is, you see there is a picture that is going to come at the bottom. Look at it. Come on, there you go. See, it shows it like this, which is good. But what I don't like here though is this one here. I wish that this thing was not there, this one, because people, they might not want to click your link. Some people, you know, they don't want you to benefit. They will just go to the website and just buy without you using your link. That is why sometimes I do it the way I do it, because I want people to click my link. And then all you do is just you say next, and then you just say public, you post, you share. Okay, simple as that. Let me just go back to the website. Okay, that's how it is, guys. Okay, now I think we're gonna go now. Okay, the payments also are going to appear here when you get paid, or when there is an amount which is there. The minimum payout is what? It's 1,000 over here. Okay, when you reach 1,000 here, obviously you will be able to withdraw. Okay, it will go to your bank account or anything like that. I think when you start generating money, this page, it's going to change. Okay, the second way is you can refer people. That will mean you can go and invite people to join the website as affiliates. That means anything those people do in the website, you are going to benefit. That means if they sell anything, if they invite anyone, that is going to create your team, that is going to benefit you one way or another. Okay, simple as that. You don't need money to join. You don't need to be a professional. You don't need, as long as you've got your phone, your iPad and your computer, you can do this. Okay, instead of you spending time for nothing on TikTok, on Facebook, whatever, how about you use this platform to promote their product and earn commission? Okay, simple as that, guys. It's not complicated. If you are interested, the link will be in the description below. You click, all right, then you sign up, you join, right, and then they will, or you will be able to go to the WhatsApp group. As you can see on the screen at your bottom right, there is a WhatsApp there. You click that, you go to WhatsApp, they will speak to you, right? Usually they might ask you to do a one-on-one talk. It's not an interview, it's just a talk. They will tell you what is going on, they will tell you how to make money, they will tell you how it works, they will tell you whatever. On WhatsApp also, they do have some posts that they put there. In other words, designs that you can use to post on TikTok, to post on Facebook, whatever, okay? But it's a video form, okay? You can take that video, download it, and post it on wherever you want to post it. And then you can put whatever you do, please. Whatever you do, whether it's a post, whether it's a video, make sure you put your link. The question will be, how... because I did say, guys, that I will show you how to make your link to be attractive so that people, they can click it. Usually people don't like to click long links because they think scams. Okay, let me just go here, open a new tab, and then I will just type Bentley. I think you know this. If you don't know this, then you are not making money online, or you are not interested in things online. Okay, now Bentley is a website that you can use to generate short links. Okay, for example, I've got a link, I think already, right? Yeah, I do. Do I do? Yeah, I do. Then you go to links here where it says, okay, you go to create, right? And then you've got options. Your options, oh, let me just start again here. You see here at the bottom, at the top, you say create here, right? And then it's gonna give you options. You shorten your link, or you create a QR code, or you build a landing page. Now on the landing page, that's another story. I don't want to go there. Okay, that's another thing. I will need to try it also. It's a, I think it creates you a page where people, they can go when they click the link. In other words, when they click that link, it will take them to a page where it shows your picture. I think it shows everything. So anyway, I will do that at some other time. We will try it together. Anyway, let's just shorten the link, and then I will put the link here. I will put it in there, which is there. Then you can put a title and say, what is this product? Francesco belt, right? Then you can just do what? What is going on? I didn't do this. What is going on here? Okay, let me just remove this Francesco belt. Now the reason why you put Francesco belt title, it is because you want to know which link is which, you know, because it's a product link. Then you can do what? You can just say create, right? Then it will create you a short link, and then you can copy this link. When you paste it, for example, let me just go to where? Let me just go to Facebook, right? Let me just go to Facebook. I want to show you how it will actually look, okay, when you do a post, because people, they don't like these long things. Okay, let me just say, I will just take for example, I will just do this, right? I will just take, okay, I will use this picture even though it's not, and then for example, I will type, hey, take a look at this awesome product, right? And then you can say learn more. I like to use learn more instead of buy. Hey, learn more here, and then I put this, and then I paste it. Watch how it looks. You see, this is how nice it looks. It's not long, it's not suspicious, it's not whatever. It's just straight, nice, short link. People like to click this type of links. Okay, that's how you can make your link short, so that at least it is actually what? Attractive, you know. Simple as that, guys. Okay, it's not actually complicated. All you need to do is just to take your time and actually do it. Okay, that is if you're interested, of course. Now, if you are interested, the link is in the description below. You register as an affiliate, or if you want to buy, I will put the link over there, and then that is it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this video has brought you some value and it has made you to think. Now, use this maybe if you don't have anything that you are doing on the side to make money. Use it maybe and try it, and maybe it might work. You might end up making thousands here. Okay, you will never know, guys. All right, maybe, I don't know, but try it. It's free. You're not paying anything. Just register and you start promoting. Simple as that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. You have a good day. I'm out. The finishing touch of sophistication. Complete your look with polo belts crafted from premium materials for timeless style. Elevate any outfit from formal elegance to casual charm. Luxurious craftsmanship, versatile for every occasion, a statement of sophistication. Discover the perfect blend of tradition and style. Wear the difference.